Welcome back, everybody. Hey, listen, today I got a good one for you, and I'm standing next to a certified, bona fide chef, right? This is my buddy right here, Kenneth Temple. And listen, after you read that title and you done seen that thumbnail, you know what we making. Listen, he gonna take the lead on this and like just show me another way to do, I call it a chicken stew. What's another word?
Smothered chicken.
That's what got me going.
Yeah.
And check it out, we're gonna be doing it right out of his cookbook. Okay, so look, you guys like just got a little flyover over the ingredients. You see, it's not a whole lot here, but you guys got to like just trust like this process, right? It's just these ingredients right here. When they marry together, they do the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Right. You know what? And you know what? I'm gonna let him introduce himself. You know, as we go ahead and do this, listen, he'll tell you who he is. You know what's going on. But right now, look, I guess I'm the understudy and the sous chef.
Come on, sous chef.
Okay.
That means I got to put you to work.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? So
talk
you start breaking down this bell pepper, and I'll get the onion and the celery.
All right.
Well, you know the beautiful thing about Cajun Creole cuisine is that people think it's a whole lot of ingredients to make the flavor sing. You know, I believe that you can get a lot of flavor in a short period of time if you just know what you're doing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And so that's what we're about to whip up with this Trinity, which is our onion, celery, and bell pepper, and the first cousin, which is garlic.
Right.
So real easy.
Wait. Say that again now.
Garlic is the first cousin of the Holy Trinity. Onion, celery, and bell pepper. You always gotta have a little garlic in there. You know what I'm saying? So this stewed chicken dish is gonna have like a little Creole flair, but gonna still be busting with all that same Southern love that we love, you know? I'm gonna break down this garlic, and then we're gonna make the herb bouquet. I know you people gonna love having the herb bouquet.
Hey, so it's just like what I guess that's just what it like it sounds, huh?
Yes,
You
sir.
see a bouquet.
Yeah.
I see the fresh herb, and I see the twine.
Yes, sir. Matter of fact, while I'm breaking this down, I'm gonna get you to do it, because we've been talking about it all day.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you just how easy it is.
I'm just gonna go ahead and bring this over here. Okay, so now since we're getting ready to do a herb bouquet.
Come on.
Which I think like the definition is in the name, right?
Yes, sir.
So we're finna do a bouquet of herbs. I got it.
Yeah. So the beautiful thing of why we do this is because sometimes when you're cooking your stews, you don't want all those different herbs floating around. So this way it makes it easy to scoop up. So we got our bay leaf, rosemary, thyme, and fresh parsley. All right, look at you. Yep, I love to put the bay leaf. All right.
So look, I'm gonna pull this and just hold this up like this. Give it a little extra.
Yeah, come on over here with it.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You got your extra. Yeah.
Okay.
Now just wrapping them around.
Now I'm
go all the way up and down, up and down. Yep. And then you save a little bit at the end and tie that together. Yep. A little knot, not a whole boy military knot. I know you got the military knots. You got the knots people can't get out of.
Hey, don't tell nobody, man. All right, so look, now we get ready to go to, hey, this the best part right here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dark meat got more flavor, gets tender, and is less expensive than white meat.
Right. Hey, you know what? Look, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip them and get them going. I'm gonna start this way first. You know what I mean? You go ahead and pick up the seasoning and let's just go. Now this is a low sodium product also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, most Cajun seasoning has too much salt in it, but this one here, you can add more flavor without all that sodium in it.
And just to take a look, like this is what you call, when we say season your meat,
yes,
you need this type of coverage.
You want to see the seasoning on your meat. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, like any stewed chicken that you do, we got to fry the chicken. So I'm gonna take a little bit of flour and just lightly coat it. Now, the reason why I like adding flour to it is because it's gonna give our final sauce a little body. We're gonna add a little bit of canola oil just to coat the bottom so we got enough surface area so all of our chicken skin get nice and evenly golden brown. Now this is gonna cook for 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put our vegetables in there.
All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and start taking these out.
Look at how pretty that is.
Look at that.
Look at how pretty. That's what you want. That's what you want right there.
Okay, so check these out, man. These is ready.
Hot and ready.
Hot and ready. I like that. All right, so look, I got it. We still hot.
Yep.
Good. We got all of that fine down there on the bottom.
Come on.
You know what I mean?
Come
So
on with
look.
that fine. I see you throwing out them words.
Okay, we nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding them.
So now that it's cooked down some, I'm gonna add another layer of flavor. All right, AB, that's looking amazing. Now let's add our garlic and our kitchen bouquet.
Okay, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this right now.
Yep.
Get this moving back and forth. Immediately, once it gets that heat, you can smell it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not gonna beat that up. I'm gonna just let that be like this. Just make sure I got full contact down here on the bottom. You know what I
Looking
mean?
good,
And,
smelling amazing.
That it is.
So I'm gonna go ahead on and add some diced tomatoes.
All right. And then while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding my chicken broth.
Yes, sir. And some Worcestershire sauce.
All right, so look, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hands.
Okay, I mean, they
Put these in
clean.
here. Yeah,
I'm here. You've been
Shit,
washing.
we in the kitchen.
Oh, look at that, perfect. Just enough stock and broth to cover the chicken. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this up to a boil, then we're gonna set it for a simmer for about 25, 30 minutes until it's falling off the bone tender. Oh yeah, AB. AB.
Oh no, that's right. That's right. Hey, strike what I was saying. Hey, that right there is right.
That's right there?
Yeah, I can see the consistency. That's what we're looking for.
That's what we're looking for.
Right.
So I'm gonna taste it just to make sure while you chop down our garnishes. Now, if you're like AB and you don't coat your chicken in the flour, you can make a little slurry, which is flour and water or cornstarch and water, and put it right in at the end till it boils to get this nice consistency here. Oh, AB, you gotta try this. I know you're working. You gotta try this, King.
That's him.
Yeah.
That's him.
That's it. Let's plate this up. All right.
So let's go ahead and hit it with that rice.
Are you a more rice guy or more stewed chicken guy?
I'm more of a
50-50?
50. I'm gonna say 50-50.
Okay.
But I like to have that rice. That right there, that's a good
perfect.
man. There you go.
Now I'm gonna let you plate it up. I'm gonna let you get you.
You're gonna leave it up to me, huh? So, you know, I'm gonna go in here and look for one that's ready to take that picture. I'm looking for the girl that's ready to go to the dance.
Let's go. She gotta be prom ready.
Oh yeah. Hold on now. Here we go. Bring this here. Come up over the top. And then we just go ahead and set this up like that.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie
she do
to
look
you. I ain't never just did one.
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Why would you just do one of a good thing?
Right.
Now you know I'm a Louisiana boy.
I knew you was gonna say that.
I
You
love
feel
my
that? Hey,
gravy and rice.
You always go back. Hey, right whenever I say, hey, that's right, I know
gotta
you
have
going
a-
back to add one more
I get
to
a little
it.
bit more.
Right.
And then however you want to make that rain.
All right, let me just go ahead and do it like this a little bit. Get a little bit around the plate.
Some beautiful stewed chicken, smothered chicken.
Okay, so you guys seen it. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna fake no funk. You know what I mean? We the chefs, we preparing the food, so we taste in different stages, right? At the end result, we hit it. I watch how I coated the spoon. The gravy is just
Yes,
right.
sir.
I call everything gravy if it's like a sauce. You know what I'm saying? That was just right, and I'm gonna just show you this. I want you guys to come on here and look at this right here. Look at this, really just like no effort at all, and it's not even mushy. Look at that, it just goes in real smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this. Sorry, chef.
Oh no, don't worry about me. I was waiting on you to tell me it's the cue.
Right. So for me, I gotta go in here and get a little bit of this rice. Grab this here. And what I'm gonna tell you guys, this right here is fire. Look at that right there. So you've been watching this channel, I always say I'm not finna over talk it. Obviously he ain't gonna say nothing. You see he go in and get his.
It's a good sign. It's a good sign.
Hey, excellent song. Hey, so listen, you're looking for something like super easy. You know what I mean? You can do this. This is a great weeknight meal. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my mouth shut. I'm gonna let you just tell everybody, about you. And I'm finna get out of here, man.
Oh yeah. Well, make sure y'all follow me on the Grillin' TV network. We are dropping these playlists one after another, so make sure you check me there and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, all those places at Kenneth Temple. I'll see y'all later. Go ahead, AB, get another one. Go ahead.
Hey, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm out. Peace.